Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today, I am so excited because I'm going to be opening up my winter release box from the Happy Planner. I'm going to show you everything they sent me from the new release. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. All right, so this release is happening on Monday, December 6th. Yeah, and it's like the winter release, and I don't really know what they sent me. I did open it up and I peeked in it, but I didn't take anything out. So I'm really excited to check out what they sent me, and I hope you are too. Please make sure you check out my affiliate link in the description box. I'd really appreciate it if you would use that when you shop on Monday. Also, I don't know if there will be discount codes or not yet as of the time of this filming, but I will let you know if I find out. All right, let's see what's inside. First of all, thank you so much, Happy Planner, for sending me this stuff. Always appreciated, and it's always very exciting to get a box of planner stuff in the mail. Am I right? Yes. Wait, I should turn on my side lights here. Is that any better? I don't even know. All right. Let's see. I'm going to put this box down and just pull things out one by one. Okay, so first off, we have a recovery guided happy journal. I wonder if I should do flip throughs of this stuff now or I don't know. Let me just pull things out and then I'll decide. Next up, we have a mini undated Happy Planner dashboard layout. This is a wellness undated planner, 12-month. So it looks like we've got some undated stuff here, which I like because, you know, I do Patreon spreads and that really helps me to get undated stuff. Speaking of which, I have a big dashboard layout undated Happy Planner here. That's so cute. Bring on today. I'm going to save the sticker books for last. Okay, so they sent me a Disney sticker book storage. This fits up to 21 value pack sticker books. I have these like all over the place. I have them in my carts. I have them on my desk. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 of these currently, so now I have 11. And then we have an accessory and pen storage pack. So basically you get one of these. You also get like a bigger one, and I have one of the, like, I'll show it. I have this one sitting, I don't know if you can see that, sitting right in front of me on my desk to organize my stuff that I use all the time. But, so it includes one of those and like the sticker, the value pack sticker box. And then it has like a little cute pen holder with it. I really like these. I have another set of these. Okay. And now let me show you the sticker books that they sent me. So I have the Disney Modern Mickey and Minnie, and another one of those, except it's different. And I don't know yet like what these are called. Like this just says Modern Mickey and Minnie. So they're obviously different, but I don't know their exact names. Let's Stay Home, Gardening, and Peace Within. Okay, so since the box is kind of small this time, not small, of course, there's a lot of products here, but since there's not like tons and tons of sticker books, I'm gonna go ahead and do flip throughs of everything in this one video. I think that kind of makes sense. Yeah, so let's do that. First up, let's look at the planners. Get this plastic off. Okay, so this is the big dashboard layout, like I said. Here's the cover. It says, bring on today. The daisies have like a gold middle there. Let's open that. All right, so I don't use a big dashboard for, I don't use a dashboard for like my catch-all, and I use a big for my catch-all. So I probably won't be using this. I may do a giveaway or something. I'm not sure yet. but I might keep it for having those dashboard pages if one of my patrons wants a big dashboard layout. So we have just a very basic monthly. I love that. It's like no bells and whistles. We do have a couple of dots in the middle, which is, fine. These are plastic discs, peach colored. I love this layout for so many reasons. I use this for work, but this here is like my dream come true because it's so neutral. There's no color on this block as there is on a lot of my other planners. It's very neutral and just professional if you want to use it for work. And it's there for you to decorate however you want. Also, the currently pages are super neutral as well. So let me just show, all the pages are going to look like that. I'm just going to show you quickly the dividers. These are really pretty. So colorful and bright, but not too bright, It's a nice color palette. Look at that. That's so cute. Hooray for today. Live your dream. The gold foil on this is like a matte gold foil. Be kind. And bring on today. Okay, and then in the back, I always like to look at the back page, and that's your note paper. In the back, it says take note, plan a happy life, and then the back cover is the same flowers, but with pink middles. All right, that's really cute. All right, next up is the 12-month undated wellness happy planner. On the cover, it says, don't ever let your mind tell your heart not to wander. Okay, so this is the wellness layout. If you're unfamiliar with this, it's basically, well, I'll show it to you in a second. So in all the undated planners, it has the stickers so you can put the months on it so that you can do it yourself. Ooh, look at the middle there. That's so pretty. It's like a floral background. Oh, this is totally me, you guys. This is very much my speed. Okay, so the wellness planner, the currently page looks like this. How I'm strengthening my mind, how I'm strengthening my body, what I'm loving about myself. These are obviously plastic discs. And then here we have same kind of layout in the monthly. And then this is what your wellness layout is going to look like. So intention, nourish, movement, and take note. And then there's these little prompts here. Reflecting on today was thankful for, focusing on, looking inward, daily gratitude, loving this. And then you can always change these to be whatever you want them to be. Like you could easily cover them up with either whiteout or a colorful box sticker or something like that and make your own labels. Like totally easy because the letters are so small. All right, so every month is going to be like that. It is undated, so it's going to be the same. But so let me show you the dividers. Quiet the mind and the soul will speak. And we have some stripes there. Ooh, that's so pretty. It says, never trust your fears. They do not know your strength. I am worthy. I'm deserving. There is abundance. What is for me is for me. I am going to be using a wellness planner in 2022. That's a little hint for my lineup, but I don't know exactly which one yet. This is gorgeous. I don't know if I'm going to be using the wellness layout or if I'm going to be using another planner and turning it into a wellness planner. I have to think about it a little bit more. There is going to be a planner lineup video coming up. I usually don't do them until at least the middle of December. I know everyone else does them earlier than me, but I usually am busy with other things and don't really think, like I think about it, but I'm not quite ready to commit until closer to the new year. So you can stay tuned for that from me. It will be coming. I'm in the middle of a move right now, so now is not the time to think about that, but it will be coming in the next few weeks. This is gorgeous, by the way. I love like the shape with the photos behind it. I think that's so pretty. It says, how you speak to yourself matters. Allow yourself room to grow. Growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before. Love that. Love more. Your energy is sacred. All right. There's the note paper in the back. It says, wander more, thoughts and reflections. Plan a happy life. And this is the back cover. That's really pretty. Ignore the sounds in the background. We are currently moving stuff around the house to get ready for my furniture to come in tomorrow. It's a little bit chaotic here. And then our basement construction starts on Monday. And today is Thursday. Moving to Friday, basement construction Monday. All sorts of stuff happening in this house. So you're going to be hearing noises here and there coming up in the next, couple of months. Just, you'll have to bear with me here. Okay, so here is that mini dashboard layout, Happy Planner. It says your potential is endless. So we have these cute little lines in the front. We have our months here. So this is real minimalistic looking. If it were easy, everyone would do it. That's cool. Let me just show you. So it's going to be the same layout as like the big. So the currently page is pretty basic, simple, and then same with the regular weekly pages. It's entirely possible. You have no idea just how much is possible. Love it. Difficult doesn't mean impossible. So I don't know the names of these yet. I will try to find out and put them down in the description, but I will just link to this is cool, Hustle and Heart. I will just link to the homepage where on Monday you will be able to find all the new stuff. But yeah, I'm not sure of the exact names of these right now. Dwell in possibility. You're a work in progress, and so is everything around you. I love like the tiny little letters. One day or day one, you decide. True. Turn ideas into action. Balance over hustle. Truth. That's my word of the year, is balance. Kind of got derailed a little bit, but I'm still trying to balance everything. And then here's the back. Turn ideas into action. Plan a happy life. And then this is the back cover. That's really cute. All right, next up we have this happy journal. It's a recovery guided happy journal. So the recovery line is for pretty much anytime you're trying to make progress in your life. It's not necessarily just for like addiction. It could be, but it can also be for recovering from literally anything, health-wise, or, recovering from trauma, or just anytime you want to make progress, improve your mental health. This is kind of what this is like. So I probably could use this. All right, so these are the plastic sparkly discs. They're really cute. Look at the inside cover. That's really interesting. It looks like little stones of all sorts of colors. We were just looking at tile for our shower, and I saw a tile that looked like that yesterday. That's really cute. Okay. So this is the recovery layout. It tells you a little bit about it there. Mess before mastery. All right, so you get to fill in the week here. It is undated. To be blank this week, I am going to, and then you have 3 things. And then you have like little habit trackers over here. I like that. It says keep track. What I am looking forward to this week, weekly check-in. What is taking up space in my head? Have I been selfish, dishonest, or afraid? What can I do differently? Do I need to fix something? Do I owe an apology to anyone? What have I done well? What victories can I celebrate? How can I help others or be of service? How will I nurture my recovery this week? So very mental health oriented, and I love this. It just is a way to kind of do some reflection on your life and kind of write down what is going on inside your brain, which is important. Okay, and then over here we have feeling. You can, check off which one you are, color it in or whatever. A little thing that brought me joy today. What did I do for my recovery today? Today's highlight, something I learned today, and daily gratitude. Always important. I love that. So this is your like weekly page, and then you go into daily pages. That's how this works. I love the middle here. It's that same kind of pattern as on the inside of the cover. So then each day of the week is going to be different, a little bit different. They're kind of similar, but I'll just read a couple of them. This says, what empowered me today? What did I do to add to my happiness? Today's highlight. what have I learned about myself during the recovery process, and then daily gratitude. So they all have well, no, this one doesn't. This one says opportunities for growth. So there's just like prompts that you can fill out. I think that's really good, especially if you're not like somebody who knows what to write in a journal. This really, really helps you. Just basically you're answering questions. So I think that's, really helpful for people who don't know where to start. And even people who do. Dear future me, lessons I learned today, all that kind of stuff. Okay. So we are all work in progress. So you've got a blank page here to do what you want. And then you have a doc grid page after that. And then it's going to be the same every week. It looks like the same prompts every week, but since every day is different, it's kind of nice that you can just change it up, every day. All right, so I'm just going to show you the dividers now. Don't be the same, be better. Hey, you, keep going. Reset, realign, reclaim, reignite. So you have, 4 months? So you have 4 months of reflection. But the thing is, that I like about the undated is that, okay, you have 4 months here, but also you don't have to use all of them in the 1 week. You know what I mean? I know there's a weekly page, but not everyone's going to write every day in their journal. So you can kind of alter this to be what you want it to be, and you can date it the way you want. You can seriously do whatever you want. And I like that about the undated, because it's not forcing you to write every day, because it's hard to write in a journal every single day. Ideally, it would be great, but I don't think all of us can do that. So this is a way that you can kind of customize it to what you want. Okay, so that is the recovery guided happy journal. I think what I'm going to do, since this video is getting kind of long, is I'm going to do a separate video for these sticker books that I received. So I'm going to flip through them in another video. That will be up right now, so you can go check that out. And I guess that's all. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you again, Happy Planner. I love everything I got. It's always exciting when there's a new release coming out. So there's lots of other products that I did not receive. I know that the quantities were limited this time for, samples. So I didn't get a lot of things. And so you can check out all the other squad members and mentors videos, and they'll show you everything they got, which I think is probably different than what I got. So there's a lot of stuff I'm going to be buying on Monday, believe it or not. And definitely all the sticker books, because I always do that. But anyway, again, hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.